Hi guys, this is my Honda CRF250L in first edition, and today I will tell and show all the updates for my Honda. I also replaced some parts such as the rear shock, chain and sprocket, renewed and chromed the front fork, replaced oil seals and more. But today I will tell you only about all the aftermarket parts for my Honda. Some of them are optional and just change the style of my bike, but others are a must to install, I think. With the rest, you choose which of these updates is interesting or necessary. I would appreciate your thoughts on this matter, so please leave a comment. And this is the headlight protection for my Honda. This is a must-have thing for your motorcycle if you often ride off-road with your friends. So when stones bounce off the wheels of the leading motorcycle, they will not damage the headlight of your motorcycle. It is this protection that is needed if you are fond of traveling with a company. The next upgrade is the motorcycle windshield. This is not a universal windshield, but was designed exclusively for the Honda CRF250L, and it's not just glass, but also a support bar for your navigator, phone, action camera or charging port. I find this thing incredibly convenient, which allows me to go faster, avoid rocks, insects, and just feel better. The next one is a motorcycle handlebar pad with the Honda logo. It is also red and in the one style of the Honda model. I hope this thing never gets used, so for me, it's mostly just a pretty thing in front of my eyes when I ride. And these are the brake hose holders of the front brakes. Not only it is a beautiful thing, but also they are made of aluminum, so I just replaced my old plastic and broken ones with these new aluminum holders. I also installed these aluminum holders for rear brake hydraulic hose. And the next upgrade to my Honda is the carbon style plastic frame overlays, so they protect the frame of your motorcycle from scratches or damage, especially if you ride in big off-road boots. My next upgrade is a new shift lever assembly, so it keeps your shift lever from breaking when your motorcycle falls on its left side. You can also watch the shift lever replacement video for this bike on my channel. An optional extension stand for your motorcycle's footrest is just the thing you should have on your Honda CRF250L. This is additional stability of your stationary motorcycle in off-road conditions. If you travel off-road, you will definitely need an additional trunk for your cargo, and it doesn't matter if you have a day trip or a long trip. In my case, I bought a rear luggage rack with handles, which is convenient when transporting the motorcycle or even when it is stuck and needs to be pushed. Also, as you can see, the additional handles on the trunk go beyond the plastic and help protect the plastic in the event of a fall. I also use an extra 5-liter 132-gallon fuel and all the time to extend my Honda's day trip range. This canister has a locking key that will protect it from theft. I used an extra spacer, and now my canister mounts to the rear rack with U-bolts and does not touch or rub against the surface of the rear rack of my motorcycle. One of the most important upgrades for your Honda CRF 250L is engine protection. An aluminum or steel engine guard will protect your engine from rocks, wooden beams, snags, or other off-road obstacles. I also want to show you the updated decals for my Honda. You can also find videos of sticking these decals on my channel. I will also be grateful to you for subscribing to my channel and any activity. I also installed new tire valve stem caps to replace the old plastic caps. Anodized or painted caps, however, will not cause you any problems and are easy to unscrew. Another unnecessary item is the carbon-style brake fluid reservoir cap, just for fetish. I also installed motorcycle handle protection. Unfortunately, I didn't have them because I bought a used motorcycle from Japan, so I installed non-original handle protection, which still has an aluminum rod and I hope does its job well. The last thing I will show you today is my Honda key strap, so you just hang it around your neck and never lose it. It is easily detached and you can continue to use your key. Everything is in the same style and it's cool. Looks like I'm one of those car guys. By the way, I've picked up some cool stuff for your Honda CRF250L on Amazon. You can see the link below this video and get an additional 5% off these items. If this video was interesting or useful for you, please do not hesitate to leave a like and subscribe to my channel.